Robb Ellis is here now with a check of the forecast.
Yeah, and I think that's the thing you'll notice the most tomorrow is that it is going to be a bit breezy. Temperatures are still above the average. We've been talking about that since well before Christmas, an above average forecast, and it continues. Numbers currently in the upper 20s and 30s, and just a few clouds out there. We saw that in our live picture earlier. There's a bit of clearing back to the west. I think that we'll continue to see that, and we'll pretty much call it mostly clear to partly cloudy skies for tonight. As we watch the larger system exit to the east on the east coast, they're having to deal with some rain and snow. We've got a break between that system and the next system that looks to remain pretty weak. I'll set our satellite and radar tracker into motion here. You'll see some of that clear sky try to move our way, but this system should stay to the north, but it's close enough that we leave some clouds in for tomorrow. Once that moves on by, again, another quiet forecast as we head into Monday. No major system moving our way and no major temperature swings, although there is one day that is going to cool down substantially in our forecast. As we head into Tuesday, this is the part of the forecast that does cool down. It'll be led by a very weak front, and here it is. This part of the front does not contain a lot of moisture, so I've got a few flurries or light snow showers in the forecast, but most of that, like the system before it, is going to stay a little farther to the north. So what does it mean? Well, it means our temperatures are going to stay above the average. Tomorrow, 44. There's the breezy conditions. Monday, 43, partly cloudy skies, and then that one chance for a little bit of a cool down is going to be after that. So here's the reason why we're so much warmer. Watch the wind gusts out of the south and southwest, and they're really going to pick up starting tomorrow morning. It'll be breezy. Gusts could be as high as 20 to 25. During the afternoon, we could see some gusts as high as 30 to 40 miles per hour, especially as we get late into the evening. This is what's going to keep the temperatures mild. But after that, then the temperatures drop in a big way, and these are daytime highs. For once, we actually see the temperatures a little bit below the average, 28 as compared to 31, which are average high. But it only lasts a day. Every little bit of cold air that we've had to try to move in hasn't really lasted very long, and we go back well above the average as we look down the road here. So there's one bit of cool down. 15 is what I'm going for now for Tuesday night. That would be Wednesday morning. Some of the models coming in a little bit colder than that. Keep an eye on that. Some locations may be down into the single digits if the models keep trending a little bit colder. I think we'll see those temperatures warm right back up. Another chance for some rain to move in on Thursday, but again, temperatures warm with another day in the 40s.